Hey, baby, how you doing? Say, baby, where's your hole? You say, oh, what you doing? Oh, yeah, I know your 2 cents, Cosmo. Yeah, you're just pretty, aren't you? Yeah, you're doing so pretty. We got green and yellow feathers. Oh, yeah. You look at that. Look at that. Look at you. Aww. See, I can't touch you, but I can massage you with a stick, with this soft little thingy. Yeah. You like it, huh? No, I guess not. Sorry. Okay. You looking around. Mama's. Mama's right there. Pretty bird that she is. Yeah, look at you. What you doing? Oh, there you go. I'm a proud grandma. Proud grandma. Oh, she likes the corner. He likes to stand up against the corner. I don't know if it's he or she yet. No idea. It's way too young. But he's so cute. He's so cute. Oh. Now, close you up so you can get privacy, you stupid humans. Oh. Now this is the first guy that was having problems with the whole situation. So he had to be put in a penitentiary of his own until the bird is big enough, or the baby's big enough. And this guy decided that he was not going to let anything happen and no birds were going to be fed. Well, took care of that situation. Learned from that. Wow. Okay, you guys have to just take it easy. You never know what happens with nature. You really don't. Stop hiding. Yep. And here's the infamous Cosmo. Yep. And Cos. Yo, I know. There's Cos. The other crazy parrot we have. She's been with us for same length as Cosmo, but she's younger. Yep, stretch those wings. Right? And going all the way over here, here's Kiko, the big monster boy. I just stepped on something. He's baby Huey. He's huge. Yes, you are. And we have lovebirds over there. One's in the basket, hanging basket, and the other one is keeping guard. Back to that. Whee! And that's the situation with the bird room.